And today, in one of my favourite videos so far, we have lots of waterfalls and lots of steps and more waterfalls. This is probably the toughest part. I'm not coming down, we're going back up those steps in particular. I make no qualms about the fact that I am unfit. And more steps. Oh, but it's worth it. So cool there, so cool. Oh, good morning all. Sunday the 14th. Welcome to another day. Not very good night's sleep last night for one reason or another, but we are now awake and we are going to the Four Waterfalls Walk today. It's another beautiful day, as we knew it was going to be. So pack up really quick. It is 10 to 8. We're going to get there early because we're not sure what the weather's going to do this afternoon. There are reports of thunderstorms. We think we're going to be okay, but I think we want to get the walk done as early as possible. So quick pack up, not much to pack up. We should be out there in an hour, so I'll catch you later.
In a quarter of a mile at the roundabout, take the second exit onto M4 heading to College.
Good morning everyone again. We are off. It is 8:52. This is the earliest we've ever been out, isn't it?
Yeah, car park. No, out of car park, out of campsite. We'll go to car park.
So yeah, we just left that campsite. We have decided to... Oh, what is that noise?
Continue on M4 for 13 miles.
We have decided to change car parks. Jesus Christ.
Should we start again?
Start again. Good morning everybody.
Good morning everybody.
Good morning!
It's 8:53. We are heading to Four Waterfalls car park to do the Four Waterfalls walk. We just checked out of Riverview Touring Park. We haven't checked out, we just left. We don't really need to check out. We didn't use electricity or anything, so we don't have to pay. You have to pay for electricity then.
Yeah.
And it's on top.
We didn't know how much it was. How much? Oh,
it
there
did
was
say
a...
something like 8p a kilowatt or something.
Yeah.
I can't remember.
Well, we decided not to plug in.
Yeah, we're only there for one night. We're going to stay there for two, but we had not a bad feeling, but just the toilets were a bit dodgy, and we're going to get a little bit closer to home, and you just weren't convinced, were you? It's got so much potential, which I'll talk about in the other...
I think it's also, we had to trade.
It's one toilet block to the reception,
block.
so if you're the furthest end of the park, it's a long way. It's down sort of 2 or 3 flights of stairs. And obviously back up again 2 or 3 flights of stairs.
And they were like steep steps.
Yeah. And in each toilet block there was only
2 showers.
2 showers, and there's
3 toilets.
And how many pictures
4 toilets.
80 odd pictures at least.
Yeah.
80 pictures. 3 people per pitch, I would have thought. That's 250 people.
Yeah.
Give or take 5 or 10 people. 240, 250 people to use 2 cubicles. Obviously 120 minimum, blah blah blah.
And I mean, the thing is, a lot of people, there was a lot of caravans there, so they obviously had their own facilities, but they weren't using their own facilities. They were coming down, well, I don't know.
You don't know who was using what.
We don't know who was using what.
Really dirty. One of the cubicles in the gents didn't have a lock on it, so you couldn't really use that. No. I had a shower this morning, the showers were fine, the showers were good. But anyway, all that is in the other.
The bar was really nice and everything like that, had a really nice bar.
You'll see all that in the we'll probably linked it above. Hopefully.
So it's fine, but for the fact that, I don't know. Anyway, but we want to get closer to home.
We're moving on to a caravan and motorhome club tonight. We booked it last minute. We're going to sacrifice 30 quid there, but you know, so be it. So we are heading now to Four Waterfalls. We're actually on the M4, I think, in 2 lanes, but it's the M4 which we didn't think would be on today. First motorhome we've seen it.
Yeah.
Last week, which is nice. And we'll see you there and we'll show you all around the Four Waterfalls. Yeah. See you there. Beacons. We've just entered the national park of Brecon Beacons.
Woo!
10 minutes, 4 miles to go until we arrive at our destination.
No!
Morning. Hi there, we're looking to do the Four Waterfalls Walk. Are we in the right place?
You're not far from it.
Okay, great.
You're not far.
So we're okay to park here?
Yeah, that's right. It's £5 per car,
Okay.
and then I'll give you directions.
Okay, so we just had a chat with a nice man who's schooled us in how to say scooter
rider.
And we don't say
rider.
like squiddy something.
I want to say squid year era.
Squiddy era. So, the man also said that you may have heard that, I don't know if I'm going to put that bit in the video because there's nothing there, but he reckons that we may already have missed the parking down there because cars are coming out, which is,
Good job we got here early.
yeah, I mean they're obviously catering for a lot of parking, so I'm going to leave the windows open. So we're going to have breakfast now, so we'll see you when we set off. So here we are at the car park, like I said as we pulled in. I think it's a field essentially, but it's probably one of the nicest car parks we've ever parked in. The sun is already really warm. It's a 4-mile walk, 4 hours they reckon. So it must be quite tough terrain because at an average walking speed of sort of 2 or 3 miles an hour, you think it'd only take a couple of hours. But we're going to have a bit of breakfast first before we head off, so we'll catch up with you then. We are off and running. Well, not quite running, we're walking.
Off and running! Walking, I mean!
Car park is up the top of that hill.
Oh,
£5.
£5 all day, but it isn't in the actual Four Waterfalls car park because we were led to believe that was full, so we didn't even bother going around there. And there are a few cars coming and going, so whether or not that was correct, we don't know. But the guy reckons 4 hours. It's, I think, about 5, maybe 6 mile walk altogether with this bit to the car park, and it's very hot. And it's only 10:30 and it's already really hot. Max is really looking forward to it.
no, I'm not.
I think my shoes are too loose. We just had to stop to fix Max's shoes, but I think my shoes are too loose there, so I might have to do something with those. Anyway, let's go.
Come on, you Spurs.
So we are off.
Oh, I need to restart my...
I didn't stop my watch. Oh. Okay, so we are off. We've started the trail. I'm going to put a map on the screen now, and this is the route we're taking. We're coming down this path here, which is a little bit tougher underfoot, we're led to believe, but shaded. And then we get to the first waterfall here. Carry on down this track until we get to this little pull out here, which is another track off until the second waterfall. Well, there's 2 waterfalls down here actually, and then the 4th waterfall is just around here, and we look around and go back up again. So we will see you at the top again. So the downside of coming the route we're doing on this particular path is that while it's more shaded, which is great in 30-degree heat, it is very rocky. So take care underfoot, especially if it was damp. Oh, this is a bit tighter. love Wales. It feels like we're in like Canadian Rockies sometimes, with the gargling streams and the mountains and the lakes. Yeah, brilliant country. So you get a decent stretch of just mud to walk along, and you do get little bits like that. And I'd love to tell you how far in we are, but I have no idea. All I know is that since we started, we've been going about 0.8 of a K. So there are other people. Oh, mummy's stuck, hang on. Oh no, you okay? Good. See, that was a tough bit, that was. But it's quite rocky all the way along here now. Not bad rocks, just have to take care. So I'm going to put the camera down and make sure I don't fall down. As a side note, we was talking to the guy on the gate, the car park attendant, when he was giving us best way to go, things like that. He did say that this will be walking along an old dried out riverbed, so I'm not sure if the river that is down there used to flow along here, and it's just shifted, or it's just not as full as it used to be. But interesting news there, interesting point. Thought I'd share with you guys. This way. Yeah, there's a sign. One last look before we leave. So that's it, 1 down, 3 to go. I'll put the name of this waterfall down below in case I haven't already. Okay, so that's the first waterfall done. We are now heading to the second one. It's about a 30-minute walk, and I think at the next point there are 2 off the trailhead, so off the trail. So there's a waterfall trail that we have to take, and it takes us out to 2 waterfalls that are quite close together. So I reckon we are a quarter of the way in, do you think?
Yeah.
Oh, let me restart my watch, because we have been going for a total of 3k and 2.5k, and we've been going for 83 minutes. So there we go, we'll see you at the next waterfall.
I was lost in a city dream, and I was at home again beside the stream. Then you walked past me, and you saw me and smiled. I will never forget the first time. When I saw you, I thought I lost my mind.
Oh, my toe. Signpost number 25 is taking us down to the second and third waterfalls, and it is very, very rocky. So extra super care needed.
I hope you'll always be around, even if I fail. You are like a summer breeze.
This is probably the toughest part. I'm not coming down. We're going back up those steps in particular, but hopefully these waterfalls are going to be worth it. I don't know if you can hear that, but I think we are close to the waterfall. You going under?
Yeah. Please like and subscribe if you love me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's cold. It's cold. It's cold.
Second waterfall done. Third one is just a couple of 100 yards this way, which is where we are going now.
And unfortunately, I think to see the full power of this waterfall, we did need to get up on that ledge up there, and we wasn't sure how to do it, so we didn't. We just viewed it from down here.
But yeah, that wasn't as nice as we hoped. I don't know if we probably didn't get all the way around to where we needed to go, so oh, how am I going to make this darker? There we go. So anyway, that's 3 of the 4 done. One more, we've got a massive walk up a big steep hill that we're not looking forward to. Once we've done that, we go round to the 4th one before we head back, so I make no qualms about the fact that I am unfit, but this is hard work. We've already done the first part. Oh. Not buggy friendly.
Heart's going like
Oh, that was a challenge coming up there, but we're up now. Next waterfall, according to a signpost, is 10 minutes away. It is now 2:33. Let's see how long it takes us to get there. But before we get there, how's everyone feeling?
hot.
Dead.
Mixture of both.
But it's nice, it's worth doing.
It is worth doing. It would be good if it was like 5 degrees cooler.
And not as rocky, because it's really,
Yeah, I
that's
mean, we
what
can't-
makes it really hard work.
It does. I mean, I don't mind that. It uses different things for different people, but I'd rather have the rocks in 25 degrees than or for 19 degrees than
Flat surface.
flat surface and 31
Yeah.
degrees. Yeah. But let's see how everyone's different. So, anyway, obviously, if you're watching this video, it means that we made it.
Yeah! Woohoo!
Please like and subscribe if we die.
But you'll never know. Right, 8 minutes down to the final waterfall. More damn steps. And then 8 minutes back up again. And we are done. It's just step after 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 step. Okay, we're going to try and get behind this one if we can, without killing ourselves. So cool there, so cool. Wait for money. So there we have it. That is our fifth waterfall. Now it's just back up those damn stairs. Oh yeah, 4. There's only, oh yeah, 4 waterfalls, not 5. Well no, there's 3 over there, look. 3 waterfalls. So we've done 4 and we're heading back to the car now, but we've got to get up these stairs first. So we'll see you probably now back at the campervan. So thanks for coming on this little walk with us. We'll see you soon. Right, we made it to the top. From here back to the car park that we stayed at, which was Quimporth, I think that's how you say it. It's about 45 minutes, we think, 50 minutes, something like that. So, and we're out of drink. Just have to hope we've got a little bit of shade. We want to kiss the person that invented air conditioning.
Ah,
We are back in the car.
so glad.
We have done so much walking. We've done 9k. That may not sound a lot, but it was a hard 9k.
It was so hard on my
Rocky
knees.
steps, hills, 30-degree heat.
It was the rocks. They
And
were
we
like,
took not enough drinks.
yeah. If it was smooth path, it'd be fine. But it was the rocky, it's the jaggedy rocks, and you think you could easily fall and hurt yourself easily.
It was a
But it was
challenge.
worth
but we did it.
doing.
5 miles.
It was so pretty. The waterfalls were lovely.
Yeah.
Can you try to...
Anyway,
Have a minute.
we are heading back. We are heading to our next campsite. It is called Gowerton.
Where's my
It's a
phone?
Caravan and Motorhome Club site, and we will see you there because we're just going to unwind there.
The problem is, so if it had been raining, I wouldn't have wanted to have done that in the
No,
rain.
no. There's ideal conditions, and it's not pouring down with rain, and it's certainly not.
It's got 32 degrees. I don't remember. Yes, we did. It's 32 degrees. I've just seen the temperature on your thermometer in your car. But it looks like it could start raining soon.
Feels like it, doesn't look like it. Blue skies, darling.
Max, I haven't got any signal, darling.
Anyway, yeah, ideal conditions, and I reckon it would have been beautiful, but they were tough. But we've done it, and we are now headed to our campsite to unwind by the van.
I don't think Daddy's got signal either.
See you later.
He's got 14.
Hi everyone, welcome. We have arrived at
Hi.
hi Max, I've forgotten where we are. Oh my god, isn't that terrible? Where's the map? Okay, we've arrived at a... Okay, 1 minute. Okay, Gowerton Club campsite, just outside of Swansea. It's a big site, but we've got a pitch near the play park in the little corner, which kind of half of the site is separated by a hedge and the toilet blocks. It feels like this is the site, so it feels really small and like private and personal, which we like. We haven't seen the showers and toilets yet, but we know they're going to be good. We would be very surprised if they're not good. And we are pretty much set up just to wind out warning out tonight. Nothing special. We're going to have pizza for tea. We are all knackered after our 9k walk we did today. So I'll talk about this site in another video, but definitely recommend it if you're coming near Swansea, and we'll see you at dinner.
Won't it be great?
Last night, last tea camping, pizza, salad.
Christian.
We sussed the pizza. The pizza's amazing. 13 minutes
how
on
long's that been on?
low heat. Heat the pizza stone, the new pizza stone with the metal underneath for about 5 minutes. Sprinkling the flour. 13 minutes on the lowest heat your Kadak Safari chef will do. Ours is a 30, so assuming it's the same for all of them, for 13 minutes, and it is beautiful. Trust me.
Hi. Class.
Nice.
Amazing.
Do we need to check on the other
Amazing.
one?
Morning, Monday the 15th. Time to go home. We are still here at Gowerton Caravan and Motorhome Club site. We have been here just for one night. The clouds have come over. I think we picked the perfect time to go home. Not much to pack up. And we have a 3.5 hour journey, so I guess there's no hurry to leave. Got nowhere to be at any time, so it's going to be quite a relaxing morning. Just fingers crossed the rain holds off and we can do ourselves a nice breakfast. We've all been a bit rushed this trip, but stick with us for a bit longer. This is our 9th night camping, and hello, and our first time cooking something for breakfast, because all the other days we've just been too rushed to go somewhere. Not today. Sausages and another cup of tea. Simple sausage sandwiches. Good though. Been nosy.
Thumbs up?
Yeah.
Good.
You done, boy?
Simple but delicious. It's raining!
It's raining! Pouring! Yo,
Hey, summer's over apparently. Summer's over.
Came out at us.
Okay.
It came out at us. Like,
The rain came from those spitting and then all of a sudden it poured down, didn't it? Should we go and save Mummy for the toilet?
I haven't got my shoes on.
No, it's okay, I'll drive over there. Sit down. Oh.
Look at me right now. Oh my god.
Well, I'm glad we stayed there in the end and didn't have a night in the other packing up this morning.
Well, there we are, ladies and gentlemen. The end of our summer 22 predominantly Wales road trip and camping journey.
But not the end of our summer camping,
Not the end of our
hopefully.
summer camping. There's definitely one more, maybe two more. We'll see what happens when we get home and get back into daily life. But I don't know how many videos this has been. This is the end of probably 6 videos, maybe 7 videos, plus all the campsite reviews. So it's probably October now. People are watching this.
Turn left onto B4295.
But anyway, if you are watching this, you've seen them all. Thank you for watching, and if you had fun with us, then
Carry on watching.
carry on watching. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you've not done that already.
That could be like a programme, carry on watching.
Carry on
instead of,
watching, carry on camping, carry on camping.
Carry on camping.
And like and subscribe and hit that notification bell.
There you go. Couldn't have put it better myself, Max, although I did. It's 10 seconds. Well done, darling. Okay, thank you guys, thank you everyone, thank you to my wonderful family.
Off home to see the guinea pigs.
Off home to see the guinea pigs and to sleep in a 5-foot wide bed instead
Take
of
a
a
quarter of a mile at the roundabout. Continue straight to
See
stay
you
on
next time.
B4295.
I love you.
I ain't got a clue which way to go.